Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse and today we are playing with Damien's choices. So Damien's my youngest son and he has been roped into being my inspiration. As I said in the last video, I asked my family to please come and create some magic with me, and so they've all come up. Well, they're taking turns. This is Damien's choices. What he's asked for is yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, crimson red, cerulean blue, violet, all into a dirty cup pour with no silicone, and then put little dots of Payne's grey on top and drag it around with a stick. So that's what we're going to do. I would never have come up with that idea, so this is where the joy of inviting others to play. So we've got our yellow ochre, violet, cerulean blue, crimson red, which is quite thick, which is not a good thing necessarily. Ew. I think this has gone off. Look at this, it's disgusting. Ugh. No, sorry Damien, you're not getting any ultramarine blue in there. That's too old. Do I have any phthalo blue? I don't think so. Got a little bit of phthalo blue, but this has got silicone in it. See, this is where it becomes mummy being naughty. More violet, bit more cerulean blue, and a bit more crimson. Let's move all of those out of the way, and we're going to do a flip cup. So flip cup is where you flip the cup. Really good description, isn't it? Let's zoom in so you guys can see what's going to happen when we do the big reveal. Are you ready? Pum, pum. Ooh. I actually really like those colours, which is really surprising. Okay, let's pop some of those air bubbles, shall we? Now, because I put the phthalo blue, which had silicone in it, in, we are getting cells. But not everywhere. But then he asked for me to get the Payne's grey, and I'm going to do this before I move it. So I've got my Payne's grey. God grief, it's not very bright, is it? That's a bit better. And he said just put little blobs in and then drag it. Blobs in and drag it. I'm going to go back into that blob, drag it some more. blob and drag. And drag. Blob and drag. And drag. There we go. This is what happens when you listen to your children. Let's see. Probably I really love this area here. I'm not a fan of all this yellow ochre, so I'm just gonna add some interest. What do you reckon? I think it's quite horrendous actually. Let's see what we can. Scrape some of this paint back on. I'm liking it better already. Silicone! No. Torch. Now I like torching it before I stretch it. For the express purpose of being able to stretch those cells out. Now I'm stretching it, pouring it into the tin so that we're capturing all that extra paint, and then we can tip it that way. Stretch those cells over top of that. And again, we're going to do this other corner. Oh, there's a blowfly in my studio. That's not pleasing to hear. Oh. Wow. take it back a little bit so that there's a bit of straining in the paint. I like that. That is so super pretty. See if I can brighten it up a bit for you so you can see some of the definition. It's not that bright normally, but it's more about that is what I'm seeing. Oh, I so like that. That looks like some sort of rock. Yum. Oh, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It's not quite what he asked for, but started off with what he asked for. That's a good start, isn't it? Alright, well, I'm going to put this to dry, and I will be back in about 3 seconds once it's dry, to show you the end result. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Check it out. This is actually looking on screen almost exactly what I'm seeing in real life, which is amazing. So I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with the colors or the lighting or what, but I'm going to have to work that out, because this one and the previous one came out looking very good. So this is what it looks like. It's dark, it's purple, it's got some swirly yellow ochre through here, and I really like that. I showed it to Damien and he's like, wow, that's so not what I asked you to do, but it's cool. And yes, it is so not what he asked me to do, but I agree, it's cool. So what do you reckon? Is it cool? Alright, well, I am currently down at the lake. I'm at Mangakino Lake with my family, staying at my sister's lake house with her and her family and their ski boat. Today is Monday, so this video you'll be watching on Monday night. So we had a concert, well, not me, but you know, there was a concert, a lakefront concert down at the lake, and I will be having had a stand there selling my jewelry, so you may see pictures of that on either my Facebook page or on the Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group, which is my Facebook group that I adore all of you amazing people that contribute in there. So yes, what else is possible? And tell me, which way around would you put it? This kind of really makes me think of the front of a card. I'm considering putting out sets of cards, and I'm asking which paintings would like to be on them. Maybe calendar art as well. But anyway, which way around would you put it? The first way or the second way? This way around. This looks like a turkey head. Do you see it? So there's its eye and its beak and its little thing on its head. That's so cool. Anyway, guys, I had fun making this, and that's what it's all about. How much fun can we add to our lives? How much more joy can you be and receive in your life? Today in New Zealand, it is the 30th of December. We have 2 more sleeps until the new year. Well, one sleep and a late night, if you want to call it that way. Depends if you stay up for it or wake up early to watch the sunrise. Which way do you celebrate New Year's? Let me know in the comments. And you know, what joy can we add to our lives, and how much fun can we have? I adore you guys. Come join us in Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group. Subscribe. Sign up on my newsletter so that you know when I'm going live. I go live twice a month. Or hop on over to Patreon. Patreon.com/MickeyArt. And join up with me there and get some super exciting bonuses. What else is possible, guys? I adore you. Thank you so much for an amazing year. I'm having fun. I hope you are, and I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.